Let me first give a short introduction to this session. You know, I personally would say that whenever I have to travel, I am a very lazy packer. I mean, I push it to the last day, and then I am extremely nervous each and every time as to, oh my God, what am I missing out? And what should I have carried? What if I needed this? What if I need that? Sometimes I really wish I could carry my entire wardrobe with me so that I do not have to choose from those particular outfits as to, ye lena hai, wo lena hai. So the next particular session that we have is Travel Essentials, your ultimate checklist. And who better to help us with this very checklist than the much awaited Brinda Sharma, travel influencer. And we have her representing Explurger. Brinda, I would want you to please come onto the stage of Forbes Top 100 creator and a TEDx speaker. She's built a loyal community of more than 1.3 million people. And as the founder of Waka Coffee and Kiago, she blends adventure with entrepreneurship, proving that passion and innovation go hand in hand. And with me and with Brinda, joining us on this session would also be Somesh Pandey, also travel blogger. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining us for this very session. And please take your seats. One hell of an introduction. Thank you. I mean, it's much well-deserved and much well-earned, I would say, at this point. So we're talking about the ultimate checklist. And I think I said it in my intro as well. And I think a lot of people out there would agree with me that there are jitters when you have that ultimate pressure building up as to checklist में क्या डालना है, क्या छूट रहा है, क्या और हम ले जा सकते हैं to be completely prepared. So Brinda, I'll start with you first. What are your tips out there for people as to वो checklist कैसे बनाएं?
So checklist अभी तक I think even now after I've traveled so much, I still before I'm going on a trip I'm still like, oh shit, I feel like I'm missing something out. और मैं जब भी घर से निकलती हूँ मेरे को लगता है कुछ ना कुछ छूट चुका है. और when even every location I
I'm
leave,
with you
I'm
on
like,
that one.
100% I've left something, and chargers and God knows what all I've sometimes left. But few things I feel that have been helpful for me. एक तो all my important documents like driving license, मेरी गाड़ी का RC or passport and PAN card and all these like important documents. I keep a scan on my notes. I think there are apps also that you can use to access.
We want people to hear your tips.
Yeah. So on the notes, the standard app that your iPhone has, uspe I keep them pinned. So just in case, you know, sometimes I don't have internet, so it's always there on my phone. Other than that, I keep packing cubes. And since I travel so much on the mountains, my warmers, my jackets, my fleece, my trekking pants, everything essential that I would need in a moment's notice, I always have it packed, because obviously Delhi mein I'm not really using those. So after every trip I come back, I have those washed and I put them back in that cube. So every time I need to go, my packing is done in 5 minutes. I just take that out, take my jackets out, and then that's it.
That's actually a pro tip. You keep it organized in one place. Absolutely.
Yeah, and I think also keeping a universal travel adapter that has USB-C ports and USB ports also. So that also stays in my camera bag at all times. That is there, and there's a little torch. I know when you don't have a torch, you regret it. So I always keep like a small torch, which doesn't need batteries. I have the one that, you know, you just, it's like a toy. So you
wind it and it works.
You wind it and it works. That and a 10-liter backpack, like a day pack. You never know, you might need it. And the one I have gets like compressed in a very small, itna chota sa pouch, so it just goes anywhere. That, and I keep a taser in my car, so.
Tasers, yes, absolutely. Security is very important for sure.
Yeah, I think that's majorly for me.
Somesh, coming to you, you know, when we speak of men traveling, the stereotype usually is, अरे इनको क्या चाहिए? इनके पास wardrobe में 10 दिन का trip है, 5 कपड़े रख लो, हो जाएगा. But I think you would have to say a lot more goes into packing and making an ultimate checklist when you're traveling.
सी ट्रैवलिंग ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको जितना आप एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं आपको उतनी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती है. हर ट्रैवल ट्रिप आपको बताती है कि ये चीज़ अगली बार ज़रूर लेके जाऊंगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं जब पहली बार पहाड़ों में गया, स्नोफॉल था और मेरे को लगा यार पहली बार स्नोफॉल देखूंगा, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है. तो मेरे को ये चीज़ नहीं पता थी, जब स्नोफॉल हो जाती है और जब सूरज निकलता है तो बहुत आंखों में चुभन होती है, और अगर आप सनग्लासेस नहीं ले जाओगे तो ऐसे टाइम पे बड़ी दिक्कत होती है. तो मैं हमेशा एक सनग्लास कैरी करता हूँ. मोस्टली मैं नहीं कैरी करता था पहले, बट अब हमेशा मैं एक सनग्लास लेके रखता हूँ कि नहीं, पहाड़ों में जा रहे हैं तो एक सनग्लास लेके जाना ज़रूरी चाहिए। उसके साथ आ जाता है सनस्क्रीन। पहले मुझे लगता था कि यार इसकी क्या ही ज़रूरत पड़ती है, कौन लगाता है सनस्क्रीन, बट जब आपको विद टाइम चीज़ें पता चलती हैं कि नहीं यूवी रेज होती हैं पहाड़ों में, आप जितना हाइट ऑल्टीट्यूड में जाओगे उतना आपके स्किन को इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है, और डेली लाइफ में भी थोड़ा सा सनस्क्रीन लगा लेना चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होगी। तो
10 points for that.
तो ये छोटी छोटी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको विद एक्सपीरियंस पता चलता है। आप फर्स्ट एड किट के बारे में लोग बोलेंगे कि फर्स्ट एड किट की क्या ज़रूरत है, हर जगह हॉस्पिटल है। नहीं, आप गाड़ी में हल्की सी चोट आ गई, खून ज़्यादा निकल रहा है, एक बैंडेज होना चाहिए छोटा सा, तो एक छोटा सा किट होना चाहिए आपके पास जिसमें थोड़ी बहुत दवाइयाँ हो, पेट खराब हो सकता है, सर दर्द हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो ये छोटी मोटी चीज़ें आपके पास इंपॉर्टेंटली होनी चाहिए।
Absolutely, I think that's a good takeaway, that never underestimate what can come your way when you're traveling, and these are some must-haves you should always be having with you, you should always carry with you. The next part of this conversation, I want to focus on sustainable travel. You know, that's become a thing now, and when I say thing, it's something wherein we see people being more aware. Ecotourism, in fact, gaining popularity. So while we are talking about the hotels and the restaurants and the hospitality community looking after it as well from their part, as tourists, it's also very important to travel sustainably. How would you say one should go ahead with creating a checklist for packing their essentials, keeping sustainability in mind? Brinda, coming to you first.
So I think sustainability, what I've noticed with us, and especially on social media whenever I've posted, so people are very particular about, oh my god, this is, what are you doing? Like, you either go big or you go home. That doesn't work with sustainability. Every little thing that you do, I think, goes a long way. For example, don't buy plastic bottles. Just carry your own water bottle, and it's easier than you think it is. You go anywhere, you'll find clean water, especially on the mountains. If you're near a river, just fill water from the river. We've done that on a recent trip. And other than that, I think for the women, switch to better alternatives when it comes to sanitary napkins. You know, the Whisper ones are just full of plastic. I've recently started using a menstrual cup, and it's been a game changer. So I think just small little things, and also choosing local stays, home stays instead of big chain hotels once in a while. That also counts. And shopping local, eating local, I think these things go a long way.
Absolutely. Somesh, what do you have to say on this front?
मुझे लगता है सस्टेनेबल ट्रैवलिंग ऐसी चीज़ है जब आप थोड़ा ऑब्जर्व करने लगते हैं ना कि मैं डेली कितना कूड़ा मतलब इस अर्थ को दे रहा हूँ, तब आप धीरे धीरे उस चीज़ को समझने लगते हैं कि अपने स्तर पर कि मुझे कितनी ज़रूरत है इस चीज़ की। आप अगर एक हफ्ते का या 2 हफ्ते का अपने घर के आसपास देखें कि आपके घर से कितना कूड़ा जा रहा है, तो आप फिर वो चीज़ें देखने लगेंगे। अच्छा, ये जो प्लास्टिक की बॉटल में जब बार बार मंगाता हूँ पेप्सी और इस चीज़ की या फिर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट की, तो ये मेरे को कम करना पड़ेगा, या फिर ये चीज़ मुझे कम करनी चाहिए। और फिर धीरे धीरे आपको वो नोटिस होता है। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप ट्रैवल में हैं और आप वाटर बॉटल हर जगह से, जैसे एग्जाम्पल दिया उन्होंने कि वाटर बॉटल खरीदने लगते हैं, हर 2-3 दिन में 1-1 लीटर की बॉटल खरीदें, तो पूरे ट्रिप में अगर 7 दिन की ट्रिप है तो उस हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा वो आप कूड़ा आप ही फैला रहे हैं। तो अगर आप एक बॉटल कैरी करें जहां आप खाना खा रहे हैं उनसे ही भरवा लें, या फिर कोई अच्छी जगह जहां पे आपको दिखा कि यहाँ पे वाटर पीने लायक है वहां से भरवा लीजिए। और हम माउंटेन्स में अभी रिसेंटली गए थे, तो हम क्या करते थे, फाउंटेन्स वहाँ पे बहते थे और वो बहुत ही अच्छा साफ़ सुथरा पानी होता है, हम वहाँ से भर लेते थे और एडेड मिनरल्स भी होते थे उसमें। तो ये बहुत टेक्निक्स जो हैं आप अपना सकते हैं, मेरे को लगता है।
Right. And you know, the last question I would have to conclude this session would be your travel mantras. And not just travel mantra, but since this session is on making an ultimate checklist for traveling, what would you say is your mantra when you're making that checklist? Brinda?
Don't have a mantra. Honestly, I feel like just go with the flow. Every trip you will make a mistake, and every trip you learn from the last mistake. So I feel just take it easy. I think 5-6 trips into, or maybe for some people 1 trip into your journey of traveling, you will have a checklist. So yeah, just take it easy. That's my mantra.
Take it easy. I think that's a good mantra. Definitely one that people will follow, and I know I'm taking it with me home today. I need to take less pressure when I'm packing next time. Somesh, your mantra.
मुझे लगा ही था कि मैं क्योंकि ट्रैवल से रिलेटेड मेरा काम है, कोई मुझे अगर पूछता है कि अच्छा ट्रैवल इतना क्यों पसंद है तुम्हें, तो सबसे पहले मैं कहता हूँ कि यहाँ पे एक चीज़ लिखी हुई है मेरे हाथ में टैटू में, भ्रमण से मिटे भ्रम, यानी कि जितना आप भ्रमण करेंगे उतना आपकी भ्रम टूटते जाएंगे। जितने जिंदगी में आपने जो जो चीज़ें सोची हैं, लोगों ने आपको कहा है कि अच्छा ऐसा होता है, वहाँ पे जाओगे ना तो ऐसा होगा, पर वो आप अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बिल्ड करते हो। तो मुझे लगता है कि भ्रमण ऐसी चीज़ है जिससे आपके भ्रम मिटने शुरू हो जाते हैं, और इसीलिए ट्रैवल करते रहना चाहिए। जब मौका मिले कहीं एक अच्छी जगह जाइए, अच्छे लोकेशन में जाइए, उस जगह के बारे में सीखिए, कल्चर, फूड, हर चीज़ को एब्जॉर्व कीजिए अंदर,
The
और
local touch.
जानिए कि क्यों है वो चीज़। मेरे हिसाब से क्यों की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं और उस जगह के बारे में ये नहीं समझते कि अच्छा यहाँ का फूड ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि यहाँ पर टेम्परेचर
बिल्कुल।
ऐसा है। मैं ज्योग्राफी स्टूडेंट हूँ, मैंने ज्योग्राफी ऑनर्स किया है, तो वो चीज़ें मेरे अंदर आ जाती कि अच्छा ये इसलिए पढ़ाया गया था। तो मुझे
Right.
लगता है कि ट्रैवल से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है इस तरीके से। तो
It's been a great experience, you would say, definitely. Well, I think that's a beautiful note to end this conversation on. And before I let you go, I would want to bring on to the stage Raktim Das, the Chief Growth Officer of TV9 Network. Sir, if you could just come here, we have a small token of appreciation for you and an award for Brinda here. Leaders of Travel and Tourism, the Travel Influencer. That award goes to Brinda Sharma. Raktim Das here with us, the CGO of TV9 Network.
So much.
Congratulations, Brinda, and that is for Somesh, a token of appreciation for attending this session, for sharing his insights as to why one needs to travel and have an ultimate checklist before traveling. But before, sir, I let you go, we have a group photo. Somesh, please join in.